Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $100 to $500 in PayPal cash fast. And there's going to be an easy way to make PayPal money really quickly. So let me get started right now. Alright guys, in today's method, it is going to be worldwide. So hopefully a lot of you can use this. I know for sure it's not just USA. Alright, so I don't know how many countries it's going to be available, but it is not just USA. It's going to be 13 plus. Now, if you have any troubles, it's always wise if you are unsure, and I am unsure, okay, that it's 13 plus because I couldn't find anything directly from the sites that I'm about to show you. But there are other sites that says that it's okay for 13 plus. So I'm not sure, and if you're not sure, if you gotta do your own research, of course. And if you find that you can't find it either, it is just best to have your parents or an adult sign up for you, and then you could just do the work and have them pay you when you earn enough. Okay, so that's going to be the safest route if you get an adult to help you. I show you different ways to make money online, so this is going to be a super easy way, and you're not going to need any experience needed to do this because anyone could just jump on these sites and just do them. And so you're going to get paid by either PayPal or gift cards, so those are the options for today's methods. Okay, if you find that these methods don't work for you, or if you want something that earns you a lot more money, you could try the second link in my video description. This is something that I do online, and it's a business model that I've been using since 2016 that makes me passive online income. So I really hope you would check that out. Okay, so let's get onto the site I want to show you, which is at zoombucks.com. Okay, it's zoombucks at zoombucks.com. Now this is a get paid to site, and you're going to be doing multiple different online tasks to earn points, and then when you earn them, you're going to convert them into either cash or gift card. Okay, so here it says earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, or doing offers. So these three things are very, very easy for anybody to try to do and earn online. It's a very easy way to make money online. And how this works is that brands want engagement. So they want you to do things online for them, and they will pay you for that. Okay, and so brands go to Zoombucks to kind of, I guess, advertise with them to get to use their platform to have people like you and me to do things for them. Okay, so that's what step 2 is about. So step 2 is Zoombucks recruiting people like you to do the online tasks, and once you do the online task, step 3 is that you're going to get paid after that. So on the right, you see that you cash out rewards. So the rewards that you're going to get are these very popular gift cards from Google Play, Roblox, to PlayStation, Microsoft Windows, and then PayPal is an option. Amazon, I mean, everybody loves Amazon. Who doesn't love Amazon? There's also Xbox, and there's a lot more if you click that. Okay, so what people are saying. So I'm going to give you the real site for the testimonial so that you can see the real reviews in a second. So for now, I'm going to bring you inside the site so that you can take a look at what things that you can do. So signing up to this site is very easy. You just have to submit a name and an email address, and then you are in, and then you're supposed to confirm your email, and then here you can read their guides to earn points enough to earn 100 to 500 every single month if you wish. And you want to read this just so you can get a great idea on the things that are available for you to earn the fastest. Okay, and then you want to complete your profile. It's very important that you complete this to maximize your earning potential, because they go by your profile details to send you the right surveys. And if you don't put enough information on there, you're not going to get more surveys than you really can get. So it's best to make sure that this is filled out properly and as much details as possible. So, and then you could earn your first points here I think this is for points. Complete your surveys and earn 1,000 points. Complete this survey daily. Also, they have a daily survey thing that you can earn every single day. So it's a fast way to earn. So the way to earn here is basically through surveys. So this is the survey one, and you could get even more surveys. And then there's a video tab. So if you want to watch videos to make money online, it's going to be so easy here because they have this one as well. So you can earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. So you could earn like that, or you can just check out the offer wall where you can earn probably the most because of these types of websites. The offer wall is always the ones with the most points that you can earn, but just be aware that some of these you might have to like put in your credit card or like this link a bank account. So just be careful of what you are signing up for the offers, but you do earn the best rewards in that sense. And also you can see here how much people are earning for the site. And so the points are worth, or for every 1,000 points is worth $1. If you have, 325,000 points, that's $325. So like this person has earned this much. It's not like today, okay, guys? So but you can see that there's a lot of people, different people earning from different flags. So USA, there's a lot of those, but there's also different flags you see from different countries, different members. You can see it on the right as well. So there's multiple of different types of people earning right now. So this is definitely a site that is paying. And then let's look at the reviews online. So Trustpilot is a real review site where real users go and review different sites. And this one, 25 people have reviewed it here, and it's a 4.0 rating with 68% to, let's see, I guess a total of 72% having it great or excellent, and most of it is excellent. So this is a pretty good review. What's good about this is that, ZoomBucks will reply if you have a problem. So this person had a problem, so they reply, and that is a very, very good sign that ZoomBucks is very active and wanting to make sure that members are having a great experience. All right, for a bonus site, I want to give you this other one that is very similar to ZoomBucks. So this is called Grab Points at grabpoints.com. And here you could do similar things, except that there are one more thing that you can do here, which is downloading apps. So this one is also not just gift cards, and I'll show you in a bit. You can also get PayPal here. So how this works is that brands will pay Grab Points for engagement, and then Grab Points will recruit people like you and me, and then you're going to be doing stuff like this. You're going to be watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, and downloading apps to earn points. And then once those points are earned, then you can redeem them for either gift cards or PayPal cash. See, there's PayPal right there. And so this is another option for you. So this is very similar to the other site, so I'm not going to go too much into it. And I've reviewed this site before as well. It does pay out, but both of these sites, like all sites like this though, guys, you got to remember that you are very limited in how much you can earn with these sites, even though it's international. But if you want to earn something more significant, where you are going to be earning way more than $500 a month, or something very significant like what I earn, which is a full-time online income or even more, you need to start building your online business. And how to do something like that is very easy when you have the right program to learn from, and that is the second link in my video description. That is something that I have learned from myself since 2016. I've been using this business model to earn online, and why this method works is that you are building something on the internet, and when you build something on the internet, then you will be able to earn every hour of the day, meaning that you could earn even in your sleep. And not only that, you can earn from the things that you do on your online business over and over again. So when you work for a site like the ones that I show you today, or when you work for other people, you only get paid once for the things that you do. But when you build an online business, everything that you do in your online business, you can earn over and over again from that online business because you are going to be building it on the internet. So when it's on the internet, it lives on there 24/7. And when it lives on there 24/7, you get to earn big dollars all day long, okay? And that is how you don't trade time for money. And that is how you could get some of your freedom back and get control of your life and do things the way you want to and have a lot more freedom to literally do the things that you love, okay? So check that out. It's the second link in my video description, and that program will even give you a business advisor on the phone so you can talk to somebody to see how you could progress and how you could learn to build this online business. All right, so I hope you check it out, and I hope you like this video today, because if you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, and I hope you check out these videos popping up right here as well. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.